Hello, Namaste, and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I am going to do a general love reading for the sign Pisces. Pisces people, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. Pisces, first of all, I am going to check your current energy and your partner's current energy. Then we'll proceed with your readings. Okay. So Pisces, this is your current energy, Knight of Cups, and these are your partner's current energy, 10 of Pentacles and 7 of Wands. Okay. Pisces, you wanted to take certain action towards something, or you are approaching somebody to offer something. Okay, this could be anything. This could be a help, this could be a love proposal, this could be a love offer, this could be something is there which you are keen to offer to somebody else, but you see that this is not the right time for you to take action, okay, with in that particular direction, because you feel that the moment you will start moving towards that particular thing or towards that particular person, that person is uh, will respond in a different way, okay. And basically you are trying to play safe, Pisces, okay. You just want to see how they are pretending or how they are doing right now, or you are just observing their behavior right now, okay. If I approach this XYZ person, what he or she is going to say, how he or she is going to react on that particular thing, okay. And yeah, I think that you are trying to offer your emotion to somebody, okay, because you have this cup and you are on the edge of that, I mean you are on the final line, or on the edge, okay. You just need to take one step ahead towards them and you will be there, but you just want to play safe, okay. See, there is no problem in that. I am not seeing any problem here. I mean, I don't know, perhaps something is stopping you to take action towards them, but I'm not seeing any problem of, okay. If you want to go and confront your emotion, or if you want to offer your cup of emotions to the other person, you can go and offer it. All right. Now, on the other hand, we have two cards, 10 of Pentacles and 7 of Wands. These are your partner's current energy, okay. All right. So Pisces, with this card 10 of Pentacles, it seems like your person is somebody who comes from a very well-to-do family, okay. This person has everything in life, be it material things, be it a big home or cars or luxury life. I mean, they are somebody who must be living a luxury life, okay. They have everything in their life, okay. They have pets, they have family, okay. They have friends, but still your person feels alone, okay. This is your person, your person feels alone because I feel that something has happened with them in past. Perhaps they have lost somebody which is very close to them, so something is there which is not giving them that enough space to think about anything, and perhaps this is the reason you are also holding back your emotions. All right, because your person, you see them that they are somebody who is going through a tough time, okay. And plus, if you see this card, you are seeing them but they cannot see you, okay. You can see their back but they can't see you. That means this person is going through some tough time in life, okay. They have lost some good business deal, or they must have lost some their loved ones or something like that. So whatever the case it is, your person is somebody who is very sad and depressed right now, okay. And on the other hand, this person is also going through a lot of challenges right now, okay, because this person must be focusing on too many things at a time, okay. So at this point of time, they are being somebody who is just giving the priority to something which is highly important to them, okay. They are being very choosy, they are being very picky, okay. They are not entertaining any other thing, okay, apart from their business or whatever the case, or I mean whatever their call is, okay. So these are your partner's current energy. Now let's see what your person thinks about you. I have got two cards. I'm not going to take it. I'm going to take only one card. What is the mutual energy? Participation. All right. It seems like even though you have not confronted your emotions, or this person, you feel that this person is sad and perhaps this person is going through some tough time in life, but I can sense it that with this card participation, your mutual bonding is too strong. Okay, both of you are supporting each other, okay, like rock. Both of you are supporting, both of you are there for each other. Okay, uh, no matter how good time you are enjoying or how bad time you are enjoying, whatever you are feeling right now, or whatever they are going through right now, both of you have each other's back. Okay, both of you have this sense of participation. Okay, if you guys are still together, that means that yes, something is there between you and them. All right, you guys have come together to solve a particular situation or particular problem, or perhaps you must be consoling them, or perhaps they must be guiding you. Okay, so whatever the thing it is, there is a participation in this relationship. All right, now I'm going to pick 3 cards for you Pisces to check how your person sees you, what is their current action towards you, and what is going to be their future action towards you. All right. All right, so we have 3 cards. This is possibilities. It means your person sees you as somebody with whom they can, spend rest of their life. I mean, it's not that they have confirmed this thing right now, but yes, they are just seeing what are the possibilities. If they have to spend their life with you, then they are just, they just want to make sure that you are the right person for them. Okay, and perhaps for some of you Pisces, your person must be thinking in a big way towards you. Okay, they must be thinking that um, there isn't any harm if I approach to Pisces, and if I offer them something, or if I accept their proposal. Okay, so this, as per them, you are somebody which is very possible towards them. Okay, so they see a big picture with you, they see a big possibilities with you with regards to love and relationship thing. All right, right now your person is not doing anything. See, I told you this person is being very picky and very choosy, and this person is being very sad about something. Okay, so at this point of time, they are being somebody who has gathered all his energies within them. Okay, they this card is turning in. That means these are the people who are poking them, these are the people who are uh, taunting them, or they must be disturbing this person. Okay, mentally and emotionally and financially and socially as well. So this, at this point of time, your person is doing nothing. They are just being uh, turning in. That means they are not thinking about the world, they are just thinking about themselves. They are just thinking about their family, their loved ones. Okay, what other people think about them, or what the outer world say to them or say about them, they don't even care about it. But right now they are, they are just restoring their energies. All right. Okay, future potential or the future action from their side towards you is going to be the stress, because I feel that the moment they'll be out from this turning in energy, they'll they will feel a lot of stress. Okay, because they would feel that I am the only one who is going to make all things possible. Okay, I am the one who is provider, I am the one who is nurturer, I am the one who is whom, I mean, he or she must be the sole bread earner of the family. So they will be, feeling a lot of stress in future. And okay, and on top of that, they have to manage you as well, they have to give time and attention to you also. So all of these things are going to create stress situations for them. Okay, it's not that they are not going to talk to you. Yes, they are definitely going to talk to you, they will definitely talk to you, but at their end the situation is definitely going to be stressful. Okay, now let's see what angels are asking you to write now. What is angels guidance for you? Perfect timing. See, that's what you are doing, Pisces. You are doing the same thing. You are waiting for the correct timing, and angels are also advising you to wait for the perfect timing. Okay, please do not move in don't take any action in any kind of hustle bustle. Just take your time and see how things are moving around you, or how they are behaving, or how, and what is it really good for you or not. So take your time and then decide. All right. Okay. So Pisces, I feel that some of you could be dealing with water sign Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio with this Knight of Cups turning in card. We have Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Earth sign in this card with this Ten of Pentacles. We have fire sign in this reading, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius with the Seven of Wands, or participation, possibilities, and stress card. All right. Okay. So Pisces, that was your reading. If any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. God bless you. Goodbye.